Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome in my garden. Today's video is about two things. I've been testing Final Cut Pro, and this video is edited with Final Cut Pro instead of Premiere Pro, which I use normally. So it's just a test, and yeah, hope you guys like it. The footage was shot with my new drone, my Mavic Air, and yeah, it really flies well and it looks great. So I think I'm gonna keep this for a while until I can afford the Mavic Air 2 probably. But bye for now. Enjoy the video. Hey, what is up YouTube? I'm in Germany right now, and I just got myself something new, or used but barely. Hello, this is my new Mavic Air 1, because yeah, for me it was just too much to get the new one. So let's test this thing, see if it works. Yeah, we've just been testing my drone, and it's approved, man. It flies like a charm. If the footage looks nice, then I'm a happy man. So stay tuned for more drone footage in my vlogs. Bye.